Hi, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to Mad for Mondays, where we love to make a difference to our day, our week, or even our year. And I have a special guest with me today who's going to let you know who she is and what she does to make a difference.
Hi, I'm A. from the Gold Coast, and it's really lovely to share a Monday with you, Kath, and thanks for inviting me on. And each Monday I like to share my time with someone else to see how I give them a little ring around, or we'll talk about things that they may need, or what they're struggling with, or share something that's exciting that's happened to them. So we do together whatever it takes to make their day better. And we do
Wow,
that every day, just about, not just Mondays, but Mondays are a bit special.
that is wonderful. So on a Monday, we can all do this, do that ring around or ring someone special. Think of somebody, give them a call and see how they are too. It,
Absolutely.
it lifts our spirits and it lifts someone else's as well.
It certainly
Um,
does.
And May, knowing you, you're just one of those people that are so great at lifting others' spirits. So thank you so much. And if anyone wants to get in contact with you and find out what you do, how do they do that?
I have my clinic is called End Results Academy, and I work from home. And I can be contacted on my email address at endresults1@gmail.com.
Fantastic. Well, let's all make a difference and have that ring around and lift others and ourselves up at the same time. So I love that. And we will get you back on when your book is about to be launched. I'm very excited to
Absolutely.
hear that. So thank you so much for sharing and let's speak soon. Have a great
Thank
Monday,
you.
everyone.
Thanks for your time, Kath. Lots of love. Bye for now.
Bye.